Thus, we'll conclude our episode of Top Soft for tonight. Hope you all have enjoyed. Catch us tomorrow as Spanka will enforce Shirai law. This has been Ray as always, and I will see you in the next one.
Put in a cage. I read about did you say want to a 10-year-old with Down syndrome
what
being taken from her mother?
What I said is you can pick anything you want out, but the bottom line is very clear.
How dare you?
When you cross
How absolutely
the border,
dare you?
This just in, local suburb rocked as a private military group known as conducted a raid on a home which was being used by the eco-terrorist movement known as the movement. The raid was targeted to eliminate known bomb maker of the group, known as, although was injured in the attack, they managed to escape into the woods.
I actually handed it to Weems and then he's gonna do nothing with it. But then we hand it to Preacher, and then Preacher will probably make something very funny.
I need to see the video.
Hi to our non-existent viewers. Is it counting? Like it is. Okay.
I feel the need to punch the shield.
Weems.
Ow.
It was worth it.
4, I'm not running.
3, 2, 1. Go, go, go!
Oh, running with the shield is virtually impossible.
Oh, you good? Oh, yeah, shit! Oh!
Hey, Dildo, slow up. Go around.
It is even funnier the second time.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Fully go with your location.
Hey, you want to take Reed, man, and go that way? We'll take Reed this way?
Yeah, one of you want to... Hey.
He has 1, 2, 3.
You're going to want to drop those parcels at Lemonade Stand. We want to make sure we keep our stockpile. We're still putting them under dead leaves, but we're not going to do any more camouflaging with that.
We're probably going to run into him sooner or later, so... Be advised, Green Squad.
Straight ahead.
We have contact directly in front. Contact in front, contact in front, contact front, contact front.
Contact where?
Contact front.
Careful, that thing can't hit shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it can't shoot shit.
Oh my god, dude, what is this eye relief?
Yeah.
This is borderline unusable.
Yeah, dude, it's cancer.
Everything's blurry.
I just brought it for shits and gigs.
Everything's blurry. How fucking zoomed is this?
Probably like 12.
No, it's at like max zoom. I could see like the fucking atoms of the trees.
The atoms?
If you want to repcon, you can. We probably should, but I'm gonna wait a second.
RTB.
Return to base. All right, boys. Keep going, Warlock. Just keep going, brother. I'll fall in eventually.
You want me to just spray over there?
Yes. Here, keep shooting.
Okay.
I was trying.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm pretty sure I got our point across. You got people, we're going up to Nut House.
That wasn't that scary, actually. I don't know.
What?
That gun dry fired like most of its BBs.
Yep.
Easy. Repcon to Bond. We're gonna go that way though.
I'm hit.
I'm 95%.
No, there's one up here. Come on out. I'll let you live.
You want to call it, bud?
Oh shit.
You want to call it? Okay.
He snuck up on me.
Just say hit. Can you say hit for me? Okay, thank you.
Here, I'll go around the side.
Come on. Yes, 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 yes. We're mounting a breach.
We're securing that house now.
Stack behind me, stack behind. Go. Sapphire! Check that little office section. Check the office section.
Where?
Yo.
Your girlfriend still going?
Yeah. Hey, did we clear that office? Yo.
We've got a package at guard shack. One guy pinned down.
Is anybody communicating on comms, or is it just a flat line? Is it just flatlining for comms for anybody, or is it just me?
No, comms are up.
Oh fuck. So I must be double hearing some shit. That's fun.
Push this is tough. We're gonna have to push deep through their line, and we're gonna need to hook back around and hopefully wipe those guys out.
We can do.
Sounds good. Let's just push through the woods, don't use the roads. Okay.
Orange is locked down by snipers. No movement down there at all. Not possible.
They're dead.
He's taking his team to check out that house. We have nobody over there.
Friendly's at fort. Fort's taken. Friendly's at fort. Fort is taken. People at guard shack, be advised, we have fort.
We're gonna go flank orange. You wanna come?
Yeah, that's where I just came from.
Is it fun?
Noah's fucking down there being a bitch.
Yeah, he's got that whole area.
He's got that fucking sniper rifle down. He put 3 in my arm before I even knew what was going on. So I just got back from spawn. Weebs is pushing down that way with the RPK.
Okay.
So we just want to empty the fucking brush there, a little too close to us for comfort. Okay. So we will be pushing that way.
Well, these guys sure didn't. We fucking took these guys out pretty easy.
What do you say?
So, he's on this side of
Oh, so by the way, I can hear both teams' comms.
That's okay. That's not my problem. They should have been better at hiding it. You know?
So like I've been relaying what they've been saying.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's a skill issue.
Yeah, that is something out of my control, and it's not even cheating if they can't encrypt. I want them to hear what we're doing, in all honesty. I'm hoping that Maddie's been channel searching to find it, because it still won't help him.
Get some firefights going.
Yeah, it still won't fucking help him.
Do we just want to cut in early? Like
yeah, let's just go in here.
Come on. Do they have the HVT? Or?
I haven't seen eyes on yet. I just know that Boots and Weebs and basically my team and Beluga are over there. So we need to get off the road. You two wrap around Rock House. Just go behind them so you're not in their cover, in their fire. What do we see, Moose?
I don't see anything. I saw movement way out in the back a little while ago. Fucking Noah's fucking picking people off.
Why'd you choose me?
I don't fucking see him either.
So he's got to be somewhere at our 10 or 11.
Yep.
Because he just, if he hit them.
Hit him right over there, yep.
Yeah, so he's moved.
Yeah, because I think he was over there before. No, I think he's over there. Oh.
You okay?
Yeah, we're all up.
Okay.
Where the hell is this guy?
It's fucking Noah. He's moving closer and closer to Maelstrom. So he's trying to open the fucking floodgates. So the reason that you guys aren't dead is because he has to be fucking trying to move this way. So that means that he's still at my fucking 11 or 10 o'clock right now. Because he popped.
But they never did find the sniper, or the high-valued target, or their dignity, as Blue 4 were able to capture the HVT and brought him to a CIA black site to hide him until they could try to evacuate them. However, Green Death's plan is to stop this by stealing the HVT and bringing them back to their place for some cool painkillers, LSD, and extreme amounts of liquor. And some of you may remember from last year that God would not allow the CO of Green Death to sword fight the CO of Blue 4 because it would have been too based. Well, this time, God has allowed this after multiple spam emails and one miscellaneous car bombing later, and God has decided to allow it to happen. You aren't going to want to miss this, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next upload tomorrow. See you then.